Today, the free world marks a truly historic occasion, the 250th anniversary of the founding of the United States of America. In one of humanity's greatest achievements, America's founding fathers established the first great modern republic, a beacon of freedom that to this day continues to guide mankind toward liberty and human dignity. On behalf of the Knesset and the people of Israel, I extend our heartfelt congratulations to the great people of the United States, and I extend our gratitude for America's leadership and for its ironclad alliance with Israel, an alliance stronger today than ever before. Happy 4th of July. God bless America, God bless Israel, and God bless each and every one of you.